Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix printer driver is unavailable on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are unable to print from your laptop or desktop and you are seeing the error in your device driver that printer driver is unavailable, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to type your printer and scanner in search. Click on the printer and scanner. Here you can see driver is unavailable. What you have to do, you have to just click on this, then click on remove device. If you are using Windows 11, then click on manage, then here you will find remove device option. Just I'll remove it here, then click on yes. After that, just click on add a printer or scanner here, then select the printer that I want isn't listed. Before doing this, you have to just remove the USB cable from both ends from your desktop or laptop and from printer. Remove and reconnect it again and check whether your printer is visible here. If it is not showing, then you can try by changing the printer cable, because due to that cable also you can face this type of issue. After reconnecting the cable, just you need to click on add, then select this option. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on this. Click on add a local printer or network with manual settings. Click on next. Here you have to select the printer. If you are connecting through USB, you will be visible. It will be visible the USB port from here. Select that one. Then click on next. Select your manufacturer of the printer. Select the driver. Then click on next. You can rename your printer here. Then click on next. Then click on finish. Click on don't share. Then click on next. You can test your printer by giving a test page from here. Just click on this and check whether the printout has came in your printer. Then click on finish. After doing this, you have to make sure that you have to restart once your laptop or desktop. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix the printer driver is unavailable on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.